This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the compressor and releasing pressure so you can work safely. First, turn the power off at the switch and unplug the unit, then open the drain valve until the gauge reads 0 psi. Once done, put on safety glasses and gloves because debris and residual oil can spray. Make sure the replacement nozzle matches the thread size. Prepare thread tape or sealant and a proper wrench. You want everything at hand to avoid restarting the sequence and to minimize risk. You now remove the old nozzle carefully to avoid damaging the fitting. First, stabilize the compressor or support the hose assembly so it won't twist. Hold the fitting steady with one tool while using a second wrench on the nozzle. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. If it's stuck, apply a penetrating lubricant and wait a few minutes before trying again. Once free, clean the threads with a brush and rag, inspect for nicks or cross-threading, and ensure the mating surface is flat and free of old sealant or debris. You install the new nozzle by starting threads by hand to ensure alignment, which prevents cross-threading. Wrap thread tape in the direction of the threads or apply recommended sealant, then hand tighten and finish with a wrench until snug. Don't over-tighten because you can strip threads. Afterwards, close the drain, reconnect power, and slowly repressurize the tank while watching the connection. Make sure to check for leaks with soapy water. If you see bubbles, depressurize and correct the seal or tighten, and then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.